Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. If you're serious about protecting yourself on the road, then you need a reliable dash cam. And today, I'm reviewing one that's making waves in the market, the MANGOAL Dash Cam. Is it really the best value for money dash cam in 2025? Let's find out. Stick around till the end. I've got some footage you'll definitely want to see. Out of the box, the MANGOAL Dash Cam comes with everything you need: the camera unit, suction mount, USB power cable, car charger adapter, user manual, and even a crowbar tool for cable management. Nice touch. Right away, the build quality feels solid. Definitely doesn't feel like a cheap plastic cam. Compact, stealthy, and the buttons are responsive. 1080p Full HD recording. Crisp, clear video, even at night. 170-degree wide-angle lens, covers 3 lanes of traffic, that's peace of mind. G-sensor, automatically locks the footage in case of an accident. Super useful. Loop recording, never runs out of space. It just overwrites old, unlocked footage. Parking mode, even when your car's off, it stays alert, great for hit and run protection. And yes, night vision is excellent for a dash cam in this price range. More on that in the test footage. Here's some real-world footage from the MANGOAL Dash Cam. Check out the license plate clarity even at a distance. And look at this night shot, not bad at all, right? You can clearly read license plates, even with oncoming headlights. That's huge when filing insurance claims. Use a crowbar to pry off the rainfall sensor cover. Use the tool to loosen the reading light screw. Use a pry bar to pry open the reading light. Use Y cable to connect the power supply. Pass the dashcam wire harness from above the ceiling. Recover the reading light. Restoration the set screw. Connect the power cord and install the camera host. Menu navigation, super simple, no confusing setup screens. It's basically plug and play. Pros: it records clear HD video. The wide-angle lens reduces blind spots. Setup and use are very easy. Its small size keeps it out of the way. It automatically saves accident footage. Cons: the suction cup mount can fail. The Wi-Fi connection is not for remote use. For this price, you really can't complain. So, should you buy the MANGOAL Dash Cam? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use dash cam that captures real results, then yes, I totally recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.